Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. For example, if you want to install a new iOS 18 beta profile on your iPhone, and for this what you have to do, you have to simply join the Apple developer program. But as you want to sign in that Apple developer program, this kind of error occurs on your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to close this page, and after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi internet connection has been restarted. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to go to main step, and the main step is as that what you have to do, you have to again go to general. Now this time what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of device management. And after that, you have to make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN. So if you are connected to any kind of VPN, then you have to simply remove that connection. And after removing the VPN, what you have to do, you have to simply change your country or region. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and you have to simply click on media and purchases. And after that, you have to simply click on view account. And after that, you will be shown a new interface in which new region available. So you have to simply change your country or region. Here you can see that, and you have to simply go to that region. You have to change to that region in which Apple developer program can work for you. But if your resident region is not available in that means you are unable to join the developer program, then you have to wait for some time so that it is available for you also. So if it is occurring again that error, then you have to wait for your region so that Apple developer program can also reach your region, so that you can also join Apple developer program and install any new beta profile which come on iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.